Seeking a faster and leaner alternative to Docker Desktop for macOS in 2026, in this video, we will compare OrbStack and Colima, two very potent software products designed to make running containers and Linux OS easier without the drag caused by Docker Desktop. So let's get started. First, we have OrbStack. OrbStack is a lightweight alternative to Docker Desktop that provides a native GUI on macOS for running containers on full Linux OS with HTTPS certificates and automatic DNS for containers. It features Rosetta support to provide transparent x86 simulation, the ability to start or stop container from macOS menu bar and even compose projects, and view and search Docker images through Finder. Other notable capabilities of this product include bidirectional file synchronization with a host computer's file system, a convenient log viewer for Docker image, automatic removal of unused build caches for saving disk space, and lower energy consumption. OrbStack is a native macOS application which has got an easy to use UI, quick startup, high speed networking performance, dynamic memory management, IPv6 capabilities, automated SSH connections, auto update feature, and no need for any administrator privileges. On the other hand, we have Colima. Colima is a free open source container runtime provisioning software available for both macOS and Linux OS with very little configuration required. Based on Lima, it allows the creation of flexible, lightweight virtual machine instances where CPU, memory, and disk allocation is custom configurable using different virtualization providers like VZ and QEMU. Colima has an easy to use command line interface with smart defaults, automated port forwarding, volume mounting, multiple instances isolation, and uses various container runtimes such as Docker, Containerd, and Incus with optional Kubernetes K3s. Colima is compatible with Intel and Apple Silicon macOS, which requires macOS 14 Plus for latest versions, uses native hypervisor without virtualization layers of Docker Desktop, and provisions Docker, Containerd, Incus, or acts as a headless VM management utility. Colima allows you to change the runtimes or use several of them at once. It also offers Rosetta 2 emulation for Apple Silicon to run x86 containers, and it has even the AI workload features to run your machine learning models on a local machine via GPU acceleration. So, which is better? OrbStack would be perfect for all those who seek convenience of native macOS experience, performance, low CPU and energy consumption, bidirectional file transfer, built-in HTTPS, IPv6 support, and support for full-fledged Linux distribution. The solution will suit you if you like the GUI interface, ease of work, and integration with macOS features like Finder or menu bar. But this is a paid commercial solution and OrbStack is free for personal use only. Colima is easier for CLI-oriented users, is free and open source software with an MIT license, can work with multiple runtimes and isolated instances, and is great for developers who are used to working with command lines. However, Colima doesn't have its own official GUI, is slower both in terms of boot time and networking than OrbStack, and uses volume sharing methods by default. Another thing to mention is that even though it supports system containers using Incus, full VM with Incus is possible only with M3 and later Apple Silicon Macs. If you want to get a beautiful, smooth native GUI experience on your macOS, then use OrbStack. If you need a free, lightweight, CLI-based and flexible setup with multiple runtimes, use Colima. Give both tools a try and find your preferable choice. Tell us which tool is your favorite one in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.